Hello, beloved Unity friends and loved ones. I just want to say thank you. Thank you, thank you, thank you for who you are, for what you are, for all the ways that you live and serve this ministry at Unity Bay Area, Houston. We have such a tremendous team of folks that are working diligently to reinvent ourselves. We have revealed today our most beautiful, exciting new tagline. We are Unity Bay Area, Houston, living relevant spirituality now. And as we align ourselves and what that means and looks like and how that fulfills itself through all the new technology methods that we're using, through the ways of serving our community for each one of us to bring our gifts to the forefront, it is really an exciting time. And I just feel my heart full of gratitude for all those who have been serving in so many ways and putting so much effort in. And I am so grateful to each and every one of you. And I want to just give a shout out to a few people, to our board members, Tom Kaywood and Amy Hart-Grobleski and Carolyn Watts and Mary Helen Merzbacher and Dominga DePara and Perry Winston. We have a tremendous board, and they've worked diligently through board retreats and other special meetings to prepare for our Helping Unity Grow meeting today, our hug meeting, where we had so many of you step up and say, hey, I'd like to do fundraising this way. I want to be part of this, that there's an excitement and a power and a presence that when the Christ Spirit is revealed and grounded within us, then it cannot help but begin to rise all of us into new heights of awareness and to new experiences where we get to fulfill the highest good of our own lives and the highest good of this ministry. And we express that light and radiance with one another. And I also want to shout out to Jackie Lawson, who is both, hired as doing bookkeeping for our business, our ministry business, but she goes above and beyond in helping create systems and coordinate so many different ways that we're up leveling our financial, our systems, our ways of operating online, making ourselves more efficient and more easily accessible for all the different ways people would like to give and participate. And additionally, I want to mention our incredible staff, Ellen Rogers and Wendy Hoggett. Oh my gosh, I can't imagine without them how this reinvention of ourselves would be. We are truly lifting ourselves into who we're coming to be now. And we're still learning as we go, but we're reevaluating and opening up to the ways that Spirit would guide us. And it means that all of you, every participant in this ministry is showing up with excitement about what it means to live relevant spirituality now. How do we serve more powerfully? How do we become more aligned with the highest expression of ourselves? I also want to give a shout out to Kim Wright for all the tremendous food that she has provided every Sunday. It has been tremendous. And we're going to be developing a new team, a new hospitality team, as well as a new fundraising team. And we're excited about the different ways people are going to be stepping into service. But we're also grateful for everything that she's done to help us create this ministry and support the many activities that have been involved in the new building. And to Sarah Thompson and her teams that have been out in the grounds and creating, and along with Daryl Daryl Matula and Pauline Hitt and so many. I mean, the list goes on, and I know I'm going to leave some of you out because I can't mention everyone, but I would love to just say that this ministry is such an active, wonderful experience of camaraderie and spirit and aliveness. And I am honored and blessed to be a part of it. And I want to just acknowledge in each and every one of you to feel right now in your heart that you are acknowledged for who you are, for what you live and what you bring into this ministry. I'm grateful. Hey, if you like our videos, press the like, subscribe, and hit the bell. Love you.